In front of me is Google Pixel 8 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can change default apps. You need to begin by opening Play Store and installing new defaults. In my case, Opera Mini Browser. When your apps are ready, you can close Play Store and go into Settings. In Settings, click on Apps section and then select Default Apps under General. Following that, select one of those sections, in my case, Browser app. Lastly, click on your new downloaded one in order to apply it. And go back. As you can see, after that, my default app has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!